Hi, my name's John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy, and I'm going to answer a question. Is $1 million enough to retire right now? Well, let's take a look at the top annuities, what their payouts are, and then you be the judge. All right, so I'm going to share my screen. And I'm just hypothetically saying someone lives in Florida, and I'm saying that they're married, and I'm saying that both spouses are 60. These payouts, of course, will change depending on your age. Sometimes the state will matter, but most of the time the payouts will be exactly the same. Okay? So starting income immediately, you're going to get the least amount, but it's still a decent amount. Okay, you're looking at the highest one right now is $71,925. So roughly 72 grand or $6,000 a month guaranteed for you and your spouse. Okay, so you can take that income out till you're 100 years old, and that's guaranteed. I mean, you're going to take out what? 72 over, well over $2.8 million. That's really good. What if you lived to 110? Well, it keeps paying off. It'll pay out as long as you live. Okay, if you die, your spouse continues to get it as well. So this one's with Gillico. You can see they're the highest immediate, and then they're followed by North American. You got Fidelity and Guarantee, which is F&G. You got Sentinel Security, Allianz, and so on. So this is just the first page. But yeah, if you want the highest income, yeah, right now, Gillico is great. They're A-rated, and they're going to give you roughly $6 grand a month. Okay, so, but what if you want to let's just say you just want to wait 1 year. Just 1 year, 12 months, okay? Same $1 million. You still want joint income. Now you can see the top one for that is Equitrust. They're going to give you roughly $75,000. Okay, well, what if I want to wait 2 years? Maybe I want to wait till I get Social Security at 62. I still want some growth. Well, I want to get Social Security at 62, plus I'm going to get Equitrust. What if my Social Security is 20 grand? My income from Equitrust is 81,000. We're looking at $100,000 in income, guaranteed, rest of your life. But let's just pretend that I don't want to take it till I'm 65 because I got Medicare. And I've got to pay for my own insurance until then. I want to work. I don't want to retire yet. I'm going to wait. Okay, that's fine. If you notice, I can still put $1 million in, wait for 5 years, and I'll get joint income of $105,000 with Equitrust, or if I want to stick with A-rated, Aspida. Aspida is a great company. They're relatively new in the annuity space, but they're backed by $500 billion, so they're really, really strong. And they have other experience in the insurance industry long before annuities. So they just started offering annuities. So definitely a very, very good choice, in my opinion, for guaranteed income if you're looking to defer it out for 5 years. They get a lot of growth there. So $100,000 or $105,000. Equitrust is good too. They were just rated an A by Fitch a month ago. So I have no doubts that AM Best will eventually rate them an A as they get bigger and bigger and stronger. So, but you notice all the rest of these companies are pretty darn close. You got Nationwide, A+, Sentinel, you've got AIG, which is Corbridge Financial. They're all really close. They're all in like the $99,000 range. Okay, so lots of good options. But yeah, if you want the highest income possible, pick the Equitrust. And as a side note, I'll just tell you, it pays me less commission than these other ones. Okay, these other ones pay me more. So if you want to get me a higher commission, then buy this one or buy this one. Okay, or buy Nationwide. I'll make more than I will on this one. There's a little side note. Most advisors will not tell you that. They will say, "Oh, hey, look at these great income products. You should get this. You should get this one. It's great. Market 10. It's going to get 103, and you'll be like, "Yeah, it is great. I'm going to totally do that." What they're not showing you is maybe this one will give you another $2,000 a year, but they'll justify it saying, "Oh, it's good enough. It's good enough. I want a higher commission." Okay, don't let anyone steer you into something that is not the very, very best. Okay, I am extremely transparent, and as you can see from this video, I have no problem sharing with you anything you ask. I'm going to share it because I want to make sure you get the most income for your $1 million. Okay, if you want income right now, I'm going to show you the highest paying annuity for right now. Okay. If you are going to defer it 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, I'm going to show you the top ones. Okay. I think it's easier just to show you, let the cards fall where they lay, and then you decide which ones you want. Okay? Don't let your advisor sell you into something that they personally like, they personally are comfortable with, or maybe they're just captive. Okay? Don't fall for it. You want to work with someone who's actually willing to show you everything. And that's exactly what I'm doing right here. Okay, now let's just say hypothetically, I want to wait till I'm 67. Because for me, I'll probably wait till I'm 67 to take my Social Security at least. Maybe I'll wait till 70. Well, $1 million, if you let it grow for those 7 years, that's going to give you joint income of $124,000. Wow, that is really good. Really good. And then a SPIDA, $116,000, still really good. But what if let's say my wife dies. She dies. So I'm going to turn on a single payout. It's still, that happens, right? And so if she dies, well, I'm going to be really sad, but I'm going to turn on a single payout. I'm going to have more income come in because now they're only on the hook for me. Whoa. That goes up to $144,000 just to me. Well, obviously, the insurance company thinks I'm going to die early, which I'm going to show them. I am definitely going to live till I'm 100. So, but look at this. I mean, you can see all the payouts. They kind of switch around. F and G actually beats a SPIDA for a single payout. Okay? So it's really slick to have something like this because everyone's situation is different. If you want to kind of check these numbers out for yourself without calling me, go right ahead. Go to my website. It is johnstevenson.com. Okay? And you'll see a tab that says annuity search. You'll be able to go in there and you'll be able to pull these numbers up for yourself. You won't be able to pull up as much detail, but you'll still see the payouts. And that's really the most important. And then if you want to reach out, we can definitely talk about them more. But if you do want to just talk about annuities and you're thinking about purchasing one for yourself and you want the highest payout, then I would encourage you to book a call with me. There is a link below this video and I will show you everything that's available. Okay? I do not care. I'm going to show you the top ones, and then you can decide which ones you want. Okay, I have people that won't choose the top one for whatever reason. They like a certain company, and they just want to buy from that company, and that's fine. That's fine. But it's my job as a fiduciary to show you everything, to make sure you have access to everything. Okay, that's super important. Okay, so if that makes sense to you and you want to talk more, book a call, click the link below. You'll land in my calendar, and we'll chat. All right. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.